flags of recognition for the Guillermo Foundation are Engineer Jim Walt Mendoza, Mrs. Jenilyn Mendoza, Dr. Mylene Mendoza, and Mr. Daniel Bautista. Accepting the award for Miss Perita Morales is Miss Jackie Lou Blanco.
Thank you very much to the Guillermo Memorial Foundation Awards for this honor that you've given my mom. I'm asked, even in the past, because meron na rin pong ibang tributes na nabigay. I always say it's such an honor because you have recognized the achievements of my mom, her contribution to not only the Philippine entertainment, but also in other parts of the world. But they always say it's bittersweet because that means she's not with us anymore. But I'd like to thank you for giving this award on behalf of my family. Maraming salamat in this difficult time. This eases our pain a bit. And I hope that you remember my mom for everything that she has done. And if you have known my mom personally or not personally, kung ano man po yung natutunan niyo sa kanya, continue to give her honor by sharing what you've learned from her. Thank you, Homer, for making such a beautiful piece for everybody. Thank you so much, and I want to thank Vina Morales for singing so beautifully my mom's song. Thank you, Vina, and to everybody. Maraming salamat. On behalf of my family, thank you very much.
The award for Ricky Davao are his daughters, Ara and Vicky May Davao.
Thank you so much for honoring our dad. Alam po namin na for his whole life, talagang minahal po niya ang industriya natin. At kahit last year, may mga nararamdaman na siyang sakit sa katawan and eventually nagka-problema na po talaga sa health niya. Hanggat kinaya po niya, pumunta pa rin po siya sa mga taping, shooting, rehearsals para sa last musical na ginawa niya. At kahit hindi na niya natapos lahat yun, I know that if kinaya lang ng katawan niya at ng health niya, he will give his 100%, more than 100%.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Actually, bago po kami umakyat, nakikipagpustahan po kami kung sino ang iiyak. So, ako po yun, ako yung natalo, by the way. Pero maraming salamat po. Just looking out at the audience at lalo na yung mga nakatrabaho ni Papa, alam po namin na hindi siya makakalimutan because he will live through each of you sa lahat ng mga proyekto na ginawa nyo. And he will continue to live through the craft that he loves and the craft that he taught us to love. So maraming salamat po. It's an honor to be here to receive this for our dad. And for those who don't know, his last performance was actually on this stage for his last musical, which was A Silver Lining. So it's like we're sharing the stage with him. So Dad, we love you so much and maraming salamat po.